pretty sure he said these are the, here's a personal safety ammunition right here. This is a different handgun ammunition for 40 cal. But this one's more for target practice. Bonded is designed actually for law enforcement because these are, so these, I got the 40 cal, but in my pistol I have my law enforcement ammunition, which is howitzers. Yes, sir. Second Amendment. I'm not like these little kids on the internet, but Come on, babies. You want to come under the crib? Come on, let's go. Come on, everybody. We're gonna take a walk outside today. Gonna see what we can find today. Come on, Zelda. Show them where to go. Let's go. Oh, I know. Hi, Nana. What's my favorite gun that I have? My AR. My NS-15 AR-15. Where you going? Where you going? Hey, guys. Where you going? Good pee. Yeah, support me on my Cash App. Yeah, tell Crystal. Huh? Yes, I just got finished cleaning. Oh, had to do 2 times. Cleaning this. This one's dirty. I need to clean up, bitch. Yeah, actually. Come on, go. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, Sapphire. Hi, sweetie. My pool's heated. I can jump in it at any time. If I heat it. Cheers, what? Come on. Let's go. Come on, everybody. Get it, down. Oh, down, good girl. Oh, no. Sapphire, did I fucking stutter? No, I don't shoot animals. I don't go hunting. Sorry. Not my steez. I don't like to kill animals. I shot a deer once when I was 15, and then I never wanted to do it again. Period. End of story. Move on. So she's just teaching them right now. She's training them a little bit herself. So she's being very gentle, but she's training them how to be tough. So, being a good mom. Good girl, Zelda. Ow, you're on my foot, and it hurts. Oh, that's you, Sapphire. You love me. He loves me. Look at him. He loves me. Hi, buddy. Ow. Hey. No. What? You tell him. Get your toy back. Nala, that's not yours. Nala, that's not yours. Nala, I said it's not yours. Why does every toy have to belong to you? Good girl. Watch out. Oh, hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, Sapphire. Good girl, Zelda. Go get your Bobby. Okay, I got my backyard looking like I need a bonfire and I'm set, bro. Redneck life. Come here. Come here, guys. Come. Come on, come. Oh, you did a bounce. All right, we're going to train you. See that? That's a pool. Be careful. Okay? Do I ever go swimming in my pool? I'm a Florida guy. What do you think? What do you think? Puppies, everybody good? Okay, be careful. Be careful. Everyone, come. Hey, come. Come on. No. No, don't do that. Be careful. Good. That's good. It's very good. Sapphire. He's such a cutie. He's gonna be Mufasa's size with Zelda's like protection and aggression. He's good. Hey, Sapphire. No, that's a no. That's a no. Thank you. Good boy. No. No. I said no. You gonna test me, huh? What y'all doing? We're gonna take a walk outside today. Ouch. Why are you doing that to my feet, man? Why are you doing that to my feet, bro? Huh? Why are you doing that to my feet? Here they come. Love daddy. Look. Oh yeah, I'm such a dog abuser, right? Ooh. That's why they love me. They love me. Mm-hmm. Yowzers. Have a great day.